Hi everyone, welcome to John 3 Entertainment. I was filming the unboxing and the video stopped, so it's already unboxed. It's pretty much the same box if you saw the Sonic the Hedgehog video. That went back because no one in the family was really familiar with the game or cared for it, and we got Pac-Man instead, which we know. So I already got the magic cable in. We'll switch it on, see what's going on. Yep, Pac-Man or Pac-Man speed up mode, and usually there's a sound effect that goes what? Nothing. Doesn't do anything. There's no left and right. So let's press credit. So select Pac-Man. The ROM loading. That's always a good sign. And we'll just watch the demo for a little bit. I mean, this is classic arcade demo mode. All right, so let's put it down. Let's play a little bit. Right? So let's see. One credit. There we go. That sounded pretty good. You haven't played in decades, you'd die soon too, but alright, let's get killed over here, see if it saves it. Well, it ain't gonna save the high score because I'm not beating the high score. I can tell you this much, the start music was a little muffled. Some of the sounds are a little tinny, but it is Pac-Man. Let's see how the speed up mode goes. And let's just start. One credit and start. And you get 1 or 2 players, so that's always good. Yeah, speed up mode's a lot more fun. You clear the levels quicker, you can get to the fruit. You can outrun the ghosts. Like this, you can actually get up to the banana level, no problem. As long as you can anticipate what the ghosts are doing. Let's get some fruit. Oh. Let's see the energizer, see how quick we can go. That's what's great about speed up mode. You can get to the ghost monsters quicker. Let's finish this level. Yeah, when it eats the ghost monsters, the noise is a little off. It's a little tinny. And the screen flashes a flash. Yeah, it plays exactly how you expect. Let's go back home. So overall, the gameplay is good. The ROM looks good. The cabinet looks good. Joystick feels great. The little lights. I'm gonna give it somewhere between a 4 and a 4.5 star rating. I'll give it 4 stars because it's only 2 games. They could have thrown something else in here. You know, so, a Pac-Man Plus or something. So yeah, it's a solid 4 stars. The sounds are pretty good. It's leaps and bounds beyond what you got from the Colecos back in the 80s, and this was only a dream back then, especially with a big joystick. I'd say if you're a fan of Pac-Man or Miss Pac-Man, get it. It's good. Good job. My arcade could have been a little better, but that's why you always have next year. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.